Time to follow along with me, Miss B, once again. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and the notification bell for new videos every week. We're in week 7 of quarter 1. We're working on Intro to Color Theory with our warm and cool colors. Supplies we need are paper, pencil, crayons, colored pencils, markers, or paint. So if you remember last week, we worked on our nature scene drawing, so we should have those finished and ready to go. For the top part of our drawing, we're going to be using warm colors. So remember, we folded our paper in half, we drew a nature scene on the top, and then we copied it to the bottom. None of them should be upside down or mirrored. They should read from top to bottom, right side up. So as you can see, I've pulled all the warm colors I possibly could find. Now I'm going to get started on my first drawing. So remember, our first drawing towards the top of our paper is going to be our warm colors. And then the bottom will be our cool colors. I want you to focus on using as many of your warm colors as possible. Remember, you can mix colors to make new colors. So if you're going to mix your warm colors, that would be using yellow, red, and orange. You can also add a little bit of white to your colors if you want to lighten it. So now that I'm finished with my warm colors, I'm moving on to the bottom drawing with cool colors. And I tried to find as many cool colors as I possibly could. If you have a basic set of colored pencils and crayons, you should be looking for green, blue, and violet. And remember, you can mix those 3 colors together to create other cool colors. You can also use a white pencil or white crayon to make your colors lighter. So when you're finished, you should have your warm colors and cool colors. Warm colors at the top, cool colors at the bottom, picture facing both upright. Don't forget to submit your assignment on Schoology for full credit. Click the like button and have a great day.